Hello and welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. I'm Nahida and today we are making a melt in the mouth dessert, caramel vermicelli pudding. It's creamy, sweet and so simple. Let's get started. Start by heating 1 teaspoon ghee in a pan. Add 1 cup of vermicelli. Roast on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes until it turns light golden. Set it aside for now. Now add 1/4 cup sugar and 1 tablespoon water. This pudding is a no-bake dessert, simple, quick and elegant. Cook until the sugar melts and turns golden. We are making a quick caramel. Pour this into your pudding mold and quickly spread a layer of roasted vermicelli on top of the caramel. Be quick while pouring caramel, it hardens fast. Caramel adds a rich flavor and glossy finish to many classic desserts. Vermicelli or semai is used in both sweet and savory dishes across South Asia. Set it aside. Now let's prepare our thick pudding base. Take 2 teaspoons agar-agar powder and mix it with 1/4 cup milk. Always dissolve agar in warm milk for best result. Keep this mixture aside. In a clean pan, pour 2 cups of milk and bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat. Add the remaining roasted vermicelli, cook for 5 minutes. Now add 1/3 cup sugar and stir well. Pour in the agar-agar mixture and continue cooking until the agar completely dissolves. Agar-agar is a natural vegetarian setting agent made from seaweed. Once everything is well combined, carefully pour the mixture over the caramel base in the mold. Let it cool at room temperature, then chill it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. When set, demold and serve chilled. Milk is a good source of calcium and protein. Agar-agar contains fiber and supports digestion. Chill the pudding completely to get perfect clean slices. Vermicelli is light and easy to digest in moderation. This dessert has no eggs and can be made fully vegetarian. Have you ever tried a caramel pudding with vermicelli twist? Which do you prefer, traditional semai or set pudding dessert? Tag someone who would love this creamy delight. Want us to try a chocolate or fruit version next? And that's it, our caramel vermicelli pudding is soft, rich and absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies. We'll see you again with more delightful and easy treats. Until then, happy cooking!